Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Spectrum internet account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type what I'm typing: www.spectrum-onlinedeals.com. You can pause the video for your convenience, look at the link and type it in. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the enter button. Now this is the official homepage of Spectrum. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. But right now, we only want to log into our account, so let's scroll right back up. At the very top of the screen, on the left-hand side, you will find something like Account Login. You can simply click on it. You will then be redirected to this page called Spectrum Account Sign In. Now, you'll be given two options, that is, create a username or simply sign in. Click on the Sign In button right here. Now in the Sign In page, it's gonna ask you to enter your credentials. That's your username and password. Simply enter your username and password right here. And in case you forgot either one of them, click on the link right here that says forgot username or password. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. Now let's enter our credentials right here. Once you have entered your credentials, you can click on this checkbox. Do note that this is completely optional. Once everything's okay, hit on the sign in button right here. Then you will be redirected to your Spectrum internet account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your Spectrum internet account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.